Did you know that inflammation is a common occurrence in the human body that aids in the healing process but can cause harm if it persists over a long period of time? It is therefore essential to consume foods that have anti-inflammatory properties to overcome inflammation-related conditions such as heart disease, arthritis, and some cancers. For vegans, it is crucial to adapt an anti-inflammatory diet that not only excludes processed foods, but also includes a variety of plant-based foods that is rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel 50s and Fabulous. In this video, I will be sharing 10 of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods that I try to incorporate in my diet every week. These are not only great for anti-inflammatory issues, a whole host of health benefits, hence why doctors and nutritionists recommend that we include more of these in our diet as well. Number 1, avocado. Avocado is a rich source of monounsaturated fats that help to reduce oxidation in the body, which can lead to inflammation. They are rich in potassium, vitamin E, and vitamin C that help to reduce inflammation in the body. The various nutrients in avocados have proven beneficial for degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Avocado can be eaten as a spread, sliced over salads, or blended into smoothies. A fun fact is avocados have far more potassium than bananas. Number 2, cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, kale, and cauliflower are rich in antioxidants such as sulforaphane that help to reduce inflammation in the body. Also, there is currently growing evidence that the phytochemical compound sulforaphane in these green leafy vegetables is found to be effective in preventing and treating various cancers such as prostate cancer, breast cancer, colon cancer, skin and urinary bladder and oral cancers. These vegetables can be eaten steamed, sauteed, or baked as a side dish or added to salads. Number 3, nuts. Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews are a good source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. They are also rich in vitamin E and antioxidants such as polyphenols that help to reduce inflammation in the body. Nuts can be eaten as a snack, added to salads, or used to make vegan cheese. Number 4, berries. Berries such as blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants that help to reduce inflammation in the body. While other fruits are high in antioxidants, berries are the real superstars because they have so many different chemical compounds that fight inflammation, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. The other cool thing is that berries train our bodies to prepare for future inflammation as well. They can be eaten as a snack, added to smoothies, or used to prepare vegan desserts. Number 5, leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach and romaine lettuce are rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and carotenoids that help to reduce inflammation in the body. I know some people refer to these as rabbit food, but they are amazing for the body because they nourish the body on a cellular level, prevent cognitive decline, and they keep our microbiome in tip-top shape. They can be eaten in salads, sauteed, or blended into smoothies. Number 6, turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric can be added to dishes such as curry, soups, or stews, or consumed as a tea. Number 7, legumes. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are a good source of protein, fiber, and other nutrients such as zinc and iron. They also contain antioxidants that help to reduce inflammation in the body. The Goons can be eaten in salads, soups, or curries. Number 8. Ginger. Ginger is a spice with powerful anti-inflammatory properties due to its active ingredient, gingerol. Ginger can be added to dishes such as stir-fries, smoothies, or consumed as a tea. Number 9. Grapes. Grapes contain a range of beneficial compounds such as anthocyanins, flavonoids, and resveratrol. It helps to reduce inflammation in the body and can be beneficial for managing conditions such as arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and heart disease. Number 10. Garlic. We know garlic adds tremendous flavor to any recipe and has a wide-ranging health benefits, but this is where garlic truly shines. It is a potent anti-inflammatory food that contains sulfur compounds such as allicin. It can be added to dishes such as stir-fries, soups, or roast vegetables. Guys, find a style that suits your health needs and goals, as well as your tastes and budget. I've just highlighted a few out of many anti-inflammatory foods. And don't forget, eat or drink food with the power of medicine. Thank you for watching. I hope you find value in this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, put your post notifications on. See you in the next one.